Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to embark on a pivotal diplomatic mission with back-to-back private dinners with two of the world's influential leaders. On July 8th, Modi will dine with Russian President Vladimir Putin at his private residence. This isn't their first extended meeting. Their last private dinner in the Kremlin in 2015 went on into the early hours. This dinner holds significant importance as it comes amidst global tensions and energy crisis. During this visit, Modi will be physically conferred with the Order of Saint Andrew the Apostle I, Russia's highest state decoration. The primary focus of their discussion will revolve around India's energy security and the ongoing Ukraine war. With Europe sourcing energy from West Asia at higher prices due to the conflict, India aims to strengthen its energy ties with Russia, including exploring the Arctic route for energy evacuation and further investments in the sector. Modi will also address the destabilizing effects of the Ukraine war on the global markets and security. Having recently attended the G7 summit in Italy, Modi brings a comprehensive understanding of global leaders' perspectives on the conflict. He hopes to persuade Putin to consider the futility of a prolonged war and to return to negotiations. Moreover, Modi will discuss halting the recruitment of Indians in the war against Ukraine and will seek to enhance cooperation in space and nuclear energy. After his engagement in Moscow, Modi will travel to Vienna for a private dialogue with Austrian Chancellor Karl Nehammer on July 9th. A key point of the discussions will be the Ukraine war and its economic impacts on the global south. Austria, a non-NATO member and part of the EU, shares significant historical and cultural ties with India, including contributions from Indologist Joseph Tiefenhaller. The dialogue will explore how both nations can contribute to resolving the conflict.